Second set, both hands under your thigh, under your seat, under your lower back. No zero, no full down. In between 10 to 90, 90 to 10. Alternative, straight leg liftings. Alternative, straight leg liftings. Ready? Lips closed. 1, right leg. 2, left. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again same. Both hands under your thigh, under your seat, under your lower back. Legs straight. 1, right leg. 2, left. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Total body turn to right side. Sitting position. Turn to abdomen side. Turn to abdomen side. Half mid body liftings. Half planks. Interlock hands. Take elbow support. Abdomen, thigh, legs always in air. Abdomen, thigh, legs always in air. In between, no full down, no zero. Ready? 1, up, down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. With ball, both hands straight. With ball, hands straight in front of head. Join foot, knee, thigh. At a time, lift both hands and both legs. Balance on your tummy. Balance on your tummy. Ready? 12, up, down. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sashankashanam. Sashankashanam. With the dumbbells, standing position. Join foot. Join foot. Lips closed. Hands full rotation clockwise. Lips closed. Hands full rotation clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Anti-clock. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit down. With ball, leg straight, ball straight in front of chest, maintain above shoulder level. Fold both legs at a time. Fold both legs at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Come to cat pose. Separate hands and legs. Separate hands, foot, knee, thigh. Cross liftings. వెనుకున్న కాలు ముందరున్న చేయికి నెత్తిలో ఉండాలి. Try to more lift your leg, back leg. Right hand, left leg up, down. Left hand, right leg. 12. Right hand, left leg. 11. Left hand, right leg. 10. 9, 8, lift more leg. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sashankashanam. Butterfly. Thigh, hips full up and full down. Thigh, hips full up and full down. Full strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With dumbbells, standing position. Joint foot, hands, side liftings. Joint foot, hands, side liftings. Lips close. 1, full up and full down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Separate legs. Hands straight in front of chest, above shoulder level. Stretch in, stretch out. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dumbbells drop. Stick on shoulders. Separate legs. Stick on shoulders. Join legs. Join legs. Alternative. Straight leg liftings. Alternative. Straight leg liftings. 1, right leg. 2, left. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, straight forward. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Separate legs. With stick, hands above head. Hands above head. Tighten both kneecap, foot straight, no V shape, no cross. Only up to mid back. Upper body bend to right side. Straight and full stretch up. 2, left. Straight and full stretch up. 3, right. Straight and stretch up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Stick on shoulders, turn to north side. Separate legs. More wide, double wide. Now touch right foot with left hand. Touch right foot with left hand. Stand straight. 11, left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stick slowly drop, no sounds. Hip rotation clockwise. Hip rotation clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, anti-clock. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stick on shoulders, half sit-ups. Separate legs, both foot straight, no V shape, no cross. Half sit-ups. Ready. Lips closed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Full sit-ups with stick. Separate legs, lips closed, full sit-ups. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, full, 2, 1. Sit down. Eyes close, lips close, mouth close. Maintain normal breath.